What is up, great guys? Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. We're continuing our presentation with Solana today, 24th of January. Let's talk about the market and the way the whole space looks like, along with the news and the technicals. Looking for discovering where Solana is located amongst cryptocurrencies here. Well, it is ranked number 10. Basically, it get back into the top 10 Solana with the past activity for the past 7 days. It is not sitting on any special number, just a 3.37%. Yet it has successfully went to $24, slightly above that. From a single digit number, we were under $10 at some point. Let's discover the charts, but I'd like to share with you the news. And there's a whole lot of discussion related to Solana might not have a decrease on the table, might not be on the cards, any other sort of a way retracement. Solana is going to do very well because the popularity and the interest has increased aggressively. Everyone finds it bullish. Everyone seems to be enjoying such market increases. The only problem I have that people look at the price in order to predict future possibilities instead of looking at the technicals in between the lines of the technicals. So the argument that the market has increased 70% in the past 7 days is looking like a bullish market is not basically an argument, because that move will always end with a decrease. So you just cannot just say it on and on that if we have increased, we're gonna still increase. In this way, you're actually assuming that there is no other way of going, and that's false, because after every single increase there is a decrease. Now, I'm not saying that decrease must happen at a certain point. It must not happen at a certain point other than what the technicals are showing. And that's the only thing that gotta be considered. So all this news related to the Cardano or Solana or Ethereum that speaks about the previous price action in terms of how the price has increased, that is supposed to go forward because of that, is false. Now, I'd like to share with you the coaching program that I have one-on-one directly with me. For those of you which are interested in making money via trading, becoming traders, or doing it part-time, either full-time, part-time, basically we can work it on. This is a one-on-one coaching directly with me, like I said, between 4 to 6 weeks, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. I've been trading since 2014, and you'll see a lot of things on my channel about the trading performance that I have. Scrembocoaching.com basically is the page where you can find out more. At the same time, for those of you that are not interested in trading, we can perform the trading for you through API. We can connect to your trading account and basically charge a commission out of the pure profits achieved after the period. Very simple. There is no upfront fees, just a commission out of the pure profits achieved after the period. This is on a different page, scrembocoaching.com/today. On the left side, you see the trading performance. On the right side of the page, you see how we did in the past. So let's get to the technicals, folks. For the Solana 4-hour candlesticks, this is where we are. I mean, this is not a short-term discussion, and this is not a short-term data reference. We're down, like I said, to the single digit. We're down at $8 at the beginning of the year. Things got really dirty for the end of the year, really dirty. Yeah, since that we have pumped for Solana 235%. So I'm not sure, but I'd like to ask you if you can imagine that. 235% in 22 days. This is about 10% a day on average. So anyone that started with $100,000 on 1st of January will have $335,000 today on 24th. Actually, not today on 24th, because the market since that top has decreased a little. But when we were on $26.7, had $335,000. Anyone that started with $1 million has $3 million, and so there's a 235% movement on the market, which is great, basically. Now, on the other side of the things, what we have here, and why is it the reaction of bearishness at that point? Because it's hitting the golden pocket of the major top exactly between, what's that? That's between $26 and $27 right here. You got the golden pocket reversal, which is very strong resistance, folks. So anything above that in this current format is going to be a place of exiting out of longs. Even close to this level is a place of exiting out of longs. by looking at the BTC, it still has fuel of goings. It's still gonna go higher than where it is located. Therefore, I'll tell you that we need to be careful in the way we handle Solana, because the decrease that's going to come after a such pump will be significant as well. Solana can very easily revisit the levels of $12, $13, $14, $15 at any point. So you got your 235% increase, but you are needing to accept the fact that the decrease, the sell-off, will be wild as well. So the other Fibonacci point that we have in terms of the golden pocket is located between 19.8 and 20.3. This is quite strong, and we're looking for the bounce here. There's also the green support line now that sits actually above, but this is the way it looks like. These gaps are always going to be filled, right? So you definitely must expect that the gaps will be filled up, that's something that I'm always saying to people in terms of the bearishness. Gaps between the support lines and the price action will get filled out as soon as you are having such aggressive angle of the support line like this one. This is pretty much all, folks, for today. It's 24th of January on 4-hour candlesticks. Sorry, a little bit tired out here, but we're gonna get things sorted out. Once again, for those of you interested in private one-on-one coaching with me, where I'll take you by hand and make you the trader, feel free to check out a video explaining it and then register now. As well, for those of you that like to join our trading momentum, feel free to check out all the things. There's no upfront fees. Everything is correlated. Have a beautiful time. Subscribe, folks, to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.